Everyone deserves good health. For that, they also need access to quality medicines at a sustainable price.
These are the equipments that will produce life-saving drugs.
We focus on new technologies and new processes.
This way, customer can launch his project faster. That's the unique value in working with our approaches.
The typical challenge is what the customer wants is not always what the customer needs, and we try to find a solution. Integrated Solutions delivers solutions for the biopharm industry. We work on customized solutions, single-use projects mainly, from a single unit operation up to a full process plant. The focus is on vaccines, monoclonal antibodies, ADCs, or biosimilars. We have two sites, one here in Germany in Cuxhaven and the other one in Bangalore.
We share our resources, capabilities and the capacities. We can supply all the different categories, single-use, multi-use and hybrid system to the customer.
Well, our main activities is in the antibody-drug conjugate field, focused on oncology. We were looking for a company that really understood bioreactor design. We moved to disposables for the flexibility.
Time to market is the most important thing for our customers.
It's also the infrastructure, your automation platform, but most of all, the relation with your supplier.
It's not one solution fits all. It is the combination of different solutions.
We typically start with the conceptual design phase, creating first ideas.
We work with our customers to analyze their process.
We make 3D layouts showing the logics behind how to connect different systems.
Sartorius helped us a lot to mapping out how equipment would fit in the rooms, get us real detailed plans.
We use tools for mass balancing and cost of goods evaluation.
It's basically a team effort between Bangalore site and the Cuxhaven site.
We present different concepts which allow the customer to make his own decision at the end.
Data handling and plant-wide automation integration are the next key drivers in this industry.
There will be more automation. We automated certain parts already from the process through the Sartorius automation platform.
The most exciting moment is when the customer sees the first project execution and is happy with our final product.
When I see my customer is able to provide medicines which are affordable to people, that's really a proud moment for me.
If you look to the future of the biopharmaceutical activities, rapid access from patients to new products is very important.
The final goal for us is to help patients around the world and to make people living better.
This is what excites me and my team. That's fantastic.
I'm absolutely sure we can beat every challenge we run into. I'm very happy with the relation we have with Sartorius.